This is a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, maroon over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, OnStar, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio, electronic climate control, USB for your phone, trailer brake controls, traction control, remote start, push button start. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, tonneau cover, receiver hitch, backup camera, one-touch tailgate, bed extender. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, so it's got power. Like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.